If you're juggling multiple tools for your business, you're losing. Funnels, CRMs, email, SMS, nothing connects. Leads slip through, follow-ups lag, revenue fluctuates. The truth is, you don't have a traffic problem, you have a system problem. More traffic means more lost opportunities without fixing this issue. That's why the HighLevel Bootcamp exists. This live training lets you build your system in real time with expert guidance. No fluff, no theory, just practical work that yields results. You'll create funnels, automations, lead capture, and follow-up systems, all live, sometimes in under an hour. Designed for everyone, this training meets you where you're at. Start with a 30-day free trial to build and test without risk. But pay attention, it's live with limited spots. Sessions fill up fast. Once full, you'll have to wait while others advance. While you wait, someone else captures the leads you should be getting. In 30 days, you'll either be still stuck or have a working system that grows your business. The question is simple. Are you ready to fix this problem or keep spinning your wheels? Click the link, lock in your free trial, secure your bootcamp spot, and start building today.